Good morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. So it's like 10 in the morning right now. I'm super tired. I still just want to be laying in bed right now, but I have a Christmas party I have to go to. So I am making sausage balls. So I'm just going to, I guess, show you guys how to make them. You need 2 of these Jimmy Dean regular pork sausages. These are the smaller sizes. These are the 1 pound ones, so you need 2 of those. You need a half a cup of celery. I already have a bunch of celery right here. You need an onion, 4 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, and all-purpose baking mix. And then you also need pepper. Minced garlic is also optional. I don't know if I'm going to use that or not. I do have some. And that's pretty much it. It's really easy to make this stuff, so I'm just going to show you guys how I make it. So first you need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And this is literally so easy. You literally just take all the ingredients and you just mix them in a big bowl together. So here is my big mixing bowl. So I'm just going to take 1.5 cups of the baking flour, or of the baking mix. So there's 1 cup and then a half a cup. Then each bag of the cheddar cheese I bought is 2 cups. So I'm literally just going to pour all of the bag in the bowl. So we got tons of cheese in this bowl. Honestly, I don't know if I might need a bigger bowl than this. We'll see. This is so gross. Then you want to take the onion and you want to put half a cup of a finely chopped onion in there. I don't know if this is weird to say, guys, but I know you're supposed to like cry when you cut onions apparently, but I absolutely love the smell of onions. Like, it smells so good to me. So my mom said when she did this, she would usually do a little bit more than half a cup, but it's a little bit more than half a cup of onions, and my eyes are watering so bad right now. And now we do a half a cup of celery. So here's what the celery looks like. I really like the way it looks all chopped up like that. It looks really cool. And then it says take about 2 teaspoons of black pepper. I'm just gonna like, and then I'm gonna put a tiny bit of this garlic, not much though. And then this is the really messy part. These are very messy, is that you're going to take your hands and you're literally just going to mix everything together. So just be really careful. You probably need a bigger mixing bowl than me, but I don't have a bigger mixing bowl. So this is super messy and it feels absolutely disgusting, but so now that everything is mixed together like this, then you take an ungreased baking pan and you start making 1-inch balls. And if you guys are making this for like a party or for Christmas or something, it makes a lot of sausage balls. So if you're not planning on making it for a lot of people, you're gonna have a lot left over, but they're really good, especially for breakfast. So that whole pan's full and I still have over half a bowl of this stuff, so it does take quite a few pans. So you put each tray in the oven for 18 minutes. So now I have to wait 18 minutes for these to cook and then let them cool off, and then take another pan and put that one in there. And that's basically how it's gonna be working until this whole bowl is done. But that's how easy it is to make the sausage balls. Literally all you have to do is mix all the ingredients together with your hands, roll them into balls, and then cook them in the oven. It's like the easiest thing ever. So I put them in for 18 and they're not as golden brown as I want them to be, so I'm gonna do the 2 more minutes, the 20 minutes, to see if those look a little bit better. Hi, Yippee. Ever since I put my dog in this Christmas hoodie, she looks so cute. So I'm just gonna try one to see if it tastes okay. I always eat at least one. Tastes just like my mom's. I'm very proud of myself. The thing about these is that one of them is super filling. At least for me, like after I eat one, I feel full. I don't know why. It's just like, they're really good. So I'm all done with the sausage balls. All of them are done. And as you can see, they're all done. So now I'm just going to put the lid on here. I might heat them up a little bit before I go. I'm not sure yet. They don't really need to be warm to be good. So I don't know if I'll just heat them up or not. But now I have to be there by 2. It's 12 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I do have to run by Walmart and pick up my birth control because, you know, you kind of have to get that refilled every month, so I have to go get that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'm not gonna film at the actual Christmas party, first of all because my coworkers don't know I'm a YouTuber and I don't want to even get into that conversation about being one. And second of all, I just feel like it's weird. I don't know, like I'm definitely not going to record on it at all. And yeah, they don't know I'm a YouTuber, so I mean, like one girl knows I am one, but I don't think she understands like what it is, or I don't know. So yeah, I'm not gonna film there. As much as I'd love to, I'm sure it'll be fun of opening presents and us all eating together and stuff and showing you guys like how awesome my coworkers are, but that's just kind of weird. So I'm gonna go take a shower and get ready. So I just finished getting ready and now it's time to go. So I have both of my presents that I'm bringing and my sausage balls, and I'm just gonna get in the car, go to the party, and then I'll talk to you guys afterwards. So I got back from the party a couple hours ago. It was really fun. So when I got home, I just edited yesterday's Vlogmas episode and I got that up and I ate dinner. So I guess I just wanted to show you guys what I got at the party. So what we did at work is that we just drew names on Thanksgiving, and whosever name we got, then we just did a sock exchange. All of us just did socks. We wrote down what we liked and stuff. So I got these really cute socks. They're kind of like slippers and they say slippers on the tag, but they're these really cute, I think cat like slippers. The inside of them are super fluffy. Like I know these are gonna be super warm, and these are like really good thick boot socks, so I really like these. So these are the socks that I got. And I also got a bag of candy as well, and then I got this Twilight Mist Body Fantasy perfume, and it's like the perfect size to put in my purse and it smells so good. And then I also got a gift card. That was really fun. I had a lot of fun at the party. The sausage balls were a big hit. I forgot to open and do an outro on Vlogmas episode yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the socks for yesterday and today. Sorry, I forgot to film an outro yesterday. I just forgot, honestly. So today's the 9th, so I have to open the 8th and 9th. So the 8th is right here. Oh, these are so cute. So these are some crew socks. So it has the not sitch, that's Kim Possible, the snitch. I always forget what this stupid flying ball thing is called from Harry Potter, but it has it in all different kinds of colors. Looks awesome. So that was day 8, and day 9 has this Hufflepuff symbol, so I have a feeling maybe it has something to do with Hufflepuff. Oh, these are so cute. So these are some crew socks as well. So it has all the just different like iconic symbols. It has the Deathly Hallows, it has the lightning bolts, the glasses, the Harry Potter symbol, and it has it in red, yellow, and black. So I really like these. These are cute. And then the bottom of it says Harry Potter. I really like these. Honestly, I feel like the socks get better like every single day. So I really like all the socks that they put in here. And I'm wondering if I'll like the women's socks better, because these are the men's version of socks. So I'm wondering when I open the women's ones if I'll like those better. So I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here by reading the comment of the day. So this is from Danielle Finocharo. I probably said that totally wrong. And she said, I've been watching your videos all day today and they've really made my day so much better. I was having a rough day and came back to watch your new and old Vlogmas videos and it really cheered me up. Will you be uploading you and your family unwrapping Christmas presents this year? And a lot of you guys have asked that. Yes, I'm going to be filming us opening presents like I did for the past 2 years. It's one of my favorite videos to film just because I can look back and see what I gave and got from my family and just look back on memories and stuff. So yes, I will be filming that. And thank you so much, Danielle, for the very sweet comment. So if you guys want to be shouted out in my next Vlogmas episode, make sure to comment down below anything you'd like to say and you might get picked. So I go back to work tomorrow and I go back to work this week. So if I start uploading at nighttime, it's just because I am editing and uploading when I get home from work at night. So I hope you guys start to understand that, is that I can't get them up at the same time every day when I work half of the week. I will see you guys tomorrow.